we finally got the new amp installed. I'm not a fan. This Hyphonics, I know this is a little spaghetti mess in here. This Hyphonics Zeus 1800 watt, not really 1800 watt amp is going back. And so is this Soundstream BX20Z. I can't get the ground isolation sound out no matter what I try. There's lots of switches on here that lets you try different things. I've grounded the high inputs. I've taken the high input ground off, as I've had good luck with that in the past, but it still has some kind of alternator whine. So I just said screw it. I got the Brutus version of the Hyphonics, a little bit bigger amp that's coming. May have to redo the wood in here. I really want to mount the stuff to wood. That's the way I've been. So with that coming, then the Soundstream's going back. We got two we're going to test out. We got an audio control L2 CI Pro, which I'll probably keep. And then I went cheaper with the L2 LC1I, I believe it is. It's just for one sub. So with that setup right there, what you can do is you got this piece of here. You just cut you a little piece of wood out about that size right there. It can actually lay perfectly. It lays perfectly on that supercharger. So once you get signal, then you can have this back here. You can put your carpet on there. You never see anything. And then what we've done here is mounted it. So when that 600 some horsepower goes, the box should stay still. It has so far. More to come. But so far we're gonna go with the audio control LCI. Once we go with that, I think we're gonna have, as you can see, a stock radio. We're gonna try the audio control. I've been hearing good things about it, and I think once we go there with it, you're gonna hear a huge difference in sound. I know that's not why you follow the channel, but I figured to let you know how to install and work on that. And that video is coming up next.